trader, Nimesh, is here. He's going to get us an insight into dealing room chatter. Nimesh?
Hi, Rima. So, a weak-looking screen. In fact, the selling from yesterday continues even in today's trade. In fact, intraday we hit a low. I mean, we still below 17,000 as well on the Nifty, and every pullback is getting sold into. So that's the overall theme for the markets today. While the flows are mixed, again the volumes are quite high in select bank stocks. I mean, that suggests there are two-way flows into the banking names, and I guess that contingent effect of global banks getting sold into is having an impact on the Indian markets as well. So that's playing out as far as the banks are concerned. The other sector which got punished today is the mid-cap IT. You explained as well the reasons why the mid-cap IT is under pressure. And even in terms of flows, I believe there is selling pressure in some select IT names, mid-cap IT names from the larger institutions. That's the overall feedback. I guess from a technical point of view, as I said yesterday as well, the first crucial level was 17,200. That got breached, and then we have seen selling pressure. So the next level to watch is 16,800 on the Nifty. If that's get taken out, then maybe you'll see a bit of a capitulation as well, not only in the large cap names, but in the mid cap and small cap as well. So that's the overall feedback. So 16,800 is a level to watch on the downside. But in terms of flows, while it's mixed, there is good amount of volumes in the bank stocks, and that's something to do with what's happening in the global markets as well.
Okay, so that's the overall market. Nimesh, what are you hearing on individual stocks, if anything? I know chatter is mostly about the overall sentiment, but individual names?
So, Surabhi, in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list today is PG Electroplast. Been consolidating for a goodish bit now, trading in that very narrow range. There is a very high chance that this company is likely to raise money via QIP very soon. In fact, the feedback is that maybe the roadshows have started as well for a possible QIP and fundraising. So that's the reason why that's the first stock on my list today. The second stock is IndusInd Bank. After a big sell-off yesterday, the stock was down 7%. Today is a bit of a relief rally as well. You're seeing a bit of a pullback. But even today, the feedback is that there is extended selling in IndusInd Bank from larger institutions. So, well, the street is divided on how to read this 2-year extension. But there is supply in IndusInd Bank even in today's trade. So that's the second one. The third stock is Aurobindo Pharma. Within the pharma names, this is the only stock where there is some bit of accumulation happening at these levels, and there is a constant feedback of some bit of buying back in this particular stock from larger institutions. So that stands out as far as Aurobindo Pharma is concerned. And the last stock is Reliance Industries. Within the large cap name, this is one stock which is showing a lot of weakness, and there is constant supply as well coming in from larger institutions in Reliance Industries, and hence that stock is under pressure for the last many days, and that's the case today as well.
Thank you very much for that. Need to get into a break. As we do that, a quick programming reminder. Today, CNBC TV18 will host what will be India's largest summit on gender parity in Delhi. Women leaders from all walks of life will come together to brainstorm and ensure we take decisive steps to bridge gender inequality. The event starts at 4:30 p.m. We will bring you live coverage right here on CNBC TV18.